So guys, Thomas here, TV Boys Rc-Xtreme. Fix the all new Losi 5TE 3.0. What a beast! Dust anyone? Classic bar. Inhale, exhale bar. You can hear the grinding, the crack, the teeth. So latest bash session. Had my friend with me here and full speed and took a quite good brain fart. So instead of nose dive into the steep slope on the other side, I put the R's in there, so I bent the rear shock tower real bad. See if we can, or if I can hit this jump. I'm so freaking bad at it, so well, you know what I say, no one. Remember a coward. As you can see, if that ramp were like 400 meters wide, I wouldn't hit it anyway. I'm so freak. I need to practice more about on this. But heartbeat back. Well, then I'll try again. F-U-C-K. If I can get one big or good jump, I'm pleased. I'm done with it. Well, fucking shaking. This is stop gearing. You know, I don't want to miss this and cut my well, I'm not gonna say that's it, but I'm done with jumping. I'm super pleased. The car acts like a freaking freight train. It's really awesome. Can't see jack shit. There it is. Where are you, my stinky little friend? Don't you do that again. Well, I'm done. Time for the next car. So this car is 100% stock besides the connectors. Running 5200 milliamp 6S. Don't know the brand. Works good. Probably the next time or a few weeks ahead, it's not gonna look like this. It's gonna be a Losi 5TE 1.0. I got some extenders already at home. Max 4, different motor, wing mount. Gonna transform it and it's gonna be a freaking killer. But then again, I like it how this is, so maybe I start with the motor and the ESC. We'll see. Thanks for watching.